I'd like to share with you how I prep my kiwis. This is around 2 pounds. I love eating kiwis, but it's such a hassle if I do it every day. So what I do is I have a day of prepping my kiwis, and when I want to eat it, I'll just grab it from the fridge. So first step, I just take all the ends of the kiwis, like so. And then I peel them all. I like using this peeler because it makes it really faster. But if you do not have a peeler, of course, you can use a regular knife at home. There you have it. They're all peeled. Now I'm just going to wash these kiwis under cold water. And there you have it. All washed kiwis. I saved these containers for my kiwis. These are 2 Talenti gelato, and this bottled one is from my kimchi. So I have 5 kiwis on each container. I have 1 container a day, so this will last me for 3 days. I really love prepping it ahead of time because I tend to eat it more when I have it prepped in the fridge as opposed to peeling it every day. Some people actually eat the peels. I cannot eat it. I gave it a try, but I just can't eat the peel. I'm sure it's better to eat the peel because of the vitamins in it, but I just couldn't do it. So there you go. This is how I prep my kiwis.